Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in.
Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this wireless backup camera. Now, it's gonna be a little bit easier for me to show you the components in this kit before I install it, so let's just go ahead and jump right in. Now, first off is this screen, which will just mount to your dash and has a nice large 7-inch display here to show you what the camera is seeing. On the backside, we have a suction cup style mount, which does have a sticky surface on the underside, and you can go ahead and just mount it right to your dash. They also include an antenna, which we can go ahead and just attach right to the screen. And these buttons on the back of the screen is how you can go ahead and set up and change settings, such as adding backup lines to the view if you would like them. The screen can receive power through multiple different ways. First is going through the vehicle's outlet here, and just keep in mind that this does have a button, so you'll need to go ahead and push it in to make sure there is power. Or if you want a more permanent solution, you can actually go ahead and hardwire this directly into the vehicle's power. Now, the camera sits on this metal bracket here, and you can easily install it as you would a license plate cover. The camera also has an antenna attached to it, and this is what transmits the signal back to the screen in the vehicle. And this is how you get power to the camera. I really appreciate that they have a nice long cord here in case I need to wire it in at a different location. This kit also comes with a few additional accessories, but overall, I've been really impressed with this backup camera kit. I think it's really nice and high quality. The fact that it's wireless from the camera to the screen is really awesome, and I would highly recommend it.
Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.